Welcome back to Unlocked. Today we're looking at the brand new ASEC EVO door handle range. Now, replacement UPVC door handles are one of those products every locksmith and installer needs to get right. The measurements need to match, the finish needs to suit the door, and the handle itself needs to feel solid enough to be trusted. That's exactly where the ASEC EVO range comes in. This is a high quality, durable multi-point door handle range designed for UPVC doors and standard multi-point locking mechanisms. So whether you're upgrading tired existing hardware or fitting on a new installation, EVO gives you dependable, trade-friendly options that look good, feel good, and fit the job. Quality is a big part of the story here. The range has been cycle tested for over 50,000 operations, salt spray tested for up to 480 hours, and every handle comes with a 10-year no quibble guarantee. So it's not just built to look the part on day one, it's built to keep performing. You also get the practical bits installers actually care about. Each handle is supplied with a spindle, colour coordinated fixings, and removable spring cassettes, helping make fitting quicker and more flexible on site. The range itself is seriously useful. There are 33 variants available across 5 popular finishes: white, polished chrome, polished brass, silver and black, with key tensors including 68, 70, 92 and 92/62mm, as well as 117mm. The EVO range covers a wide spread of common UPVC door setups. The best bit? You get all that quality, choice and backup with a great low trade price. So if you want a reliable multi-point door handle range that gives you plenty of options without overcomplicating the job, ask for ASEC EVO. ASEC EVO, quality handles, great price, proper trade range. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more locksmith trade videos.